Now, if you're a woodworker or a person who watches woodworking channels that boast huge workshops and very expensive tools and equipment, then dream on. This isn't the channel for you. But if you want to learn some useful tips that are based on my experience, and incidentally my philosophy has always been small is beautiful, then here's a tip that might help you. Rather than throw this little router away, and the history of it is that it was sent to me by Bosch in 1989 when I wrote the pioneer book on routing called The Incredible Router, and it's lasted all this time except the switch broke, so I replaced it with a rather unofficial, but I tell you what, these toggle switches, it's hard to beat them. And the reason being that you're never stretching more than a finger stretch away when you operate the router. It's so delightfully simple. It was one of the cheapest routers on the market, and if you follow my channel you probably realise that I tend to designate tools for specific jobs. In the case of routers, I've probably got at least 30 routers over the years, and this one is what I call my handheld freehand edge profiling router, just to put a radius on the piece of wood. And in this instance I'm putting a radius on a rather makeshift but highly functional rail to go on my bed, because I am beginning to suffer what some of you would be familiar to is called REM sleep, which is involuntary actions when the muscles are supposed to totally relax when you're dreaming. And I'm landing up, falling out of bed because I'm fighting and kicking, and this could be serious because I could break my neck. My bed is about 1 metre high. It's built into my attic in the roof that I rebuilt, totally rebuilt with all new timbers back in 1995. So I hope this is of use to you, and see you next time.